put him out. Like the burning end of a midnight cigarette, she broke his heart. He spent his whole life trying to forget. While she drank his pain away, a little at a time. But he never could get drunk enough to get her off his mind until the night he put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger.